What's going on, folks, man? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set where we talk about sneakers, electronics, and toys. But today we're gonna start off with a new series that we're gonna start here on the set called Straight to the Toe or Gotta Go. Yep, you heard me. We're gonna rate some of the November releases here in this episode 1 of Straight to the Toe or Gotta Go. So, without further ado, wait. If you ain't liked and subscribed to this channel, I need to do so for your boy, man. Because it shows me that you appreciate the content that we putting out here. And it encourages me to do more crazy content here on the set. But again, without further ado, let's get at it, man. We're going straight to the toe or gotta go. Y'all let me know in the comment section what we doing with these. First, we got the Nike Dunk Low in a dusty olive colorway. Now, looking at this shoe, I'm gonna tell you straight out the top, for me, just because it's a crazy combination of colors and I'm kind of a sucker for olive anyway. But this, I mean, even though it's a little light, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say with these, straight to the toe. Yep. Right off the bat, we're going straight to the toe with these. I don't know, maybe it's the color combination. I'm not a sucker for dunks. I'm not one that finds every pair of dunks fire. Not at all. But these right here are definitely straight to the toe. Lighter tones for the winter. Man, you can put a couple fits together with these. So, yep, off the top, first, Nike Dunk Low Dusty Olive, straight to the toe. Next, oh, come on, bro. You already know what we got right here. You know what we got right here. We got the Jordan 1 Reimagined. Yep, we got the Jordan 1 Reimagined in the royal colorway. Now, if you are subscribed and already a part of the set crew, you already know we had these. We had these probably like 3 weeks ago. We did a full review on them. We did lace swaps. We did on feet. And I gave my recommendation on this shoe already. So you know it's straight to the toe, because that's where it went. Got them in, did the review. And the same weekend, I was out. Them joints was already on feet. And of course, they was already turning heads. But for the Jordan 1 Reimagined, you already know, straight to the toe. Next, we got another Nike Dunk Low here. And this one is the B1 of 1. Yep, B1 of 1. Looking at this shoe, oh man, it's very, very creative. I give them that. The details in this shoe is very sick. Now, you can put a fit together with anything. You really can. But for these, I don't know, man. That one might be a maybe for me. But y'all let me know down in the comment section. I like the design, obviously. I like the materials used, if what I can see in the picture, but I just don't know if that color scheme is gonna rock with what really be going on with me and my thought pattern when putting outfits together. So that one, I'm not gonna say it's gotta go, but it ain't straight to the toe. Moving on. We had the shock drop of these. These are women's exclusive only. Big feet gang, sit back because we can't get these. But we got the Jordan 11 Neapolitans, right? Or as I would say when I was young, I'd say Napoleon, but that's just because I was a little special back in the day. But I digress. But these, man, with the upcoming Jordan 11s that's coming out for the holiday season, right? I think they could have waited to release these, or maybe release these a lot earlier. But again, they are women's exclusive. I seen a couple videos. I like it. I went for them in the shock drop, but I didn't get them. But for women, it's a different sneaker. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that. I guess if they would have made these a full size run and they weren't coming out with the DMPs and yeah, I don't know. They may have been straight to the toe at that point because I know it's a couple fits you can put together. That brown and that pink outsole, that's crazy. But I don't know if it's for me, so I'm gonna say gotta go. But women, this is for y'all though. Let me know if it's straight to the toe or like me, it's gotta go. Moving on, we got another women's release. Now this shoe has a couple names, right? It's it's in the Oreo colorway almost, right? But I've seen some that called it Orca or whatever. But it's a Jordan 3. It's a dark sneaker. Again, it's a women's exclusive. So if it wasn't a full size run, I ain't even gonna lie, it'd be straight to the toe. Because it's an easy shoe to wear. But then again, with that suede, nubuck, whatever material they put on the shoe, I think it probably look a little ashy. But I haven't seen it in hand, so I don't know. So we just gonna go with if it was in a full size run, it'd be straight to the toe. But again, women, let me know if this shoe is straight for the toe or it's gotta go. Moving on. Another shoe that's always got a soft spot in my collection. Man, look, listen. We all know the origins of the Jordan 2, right? It was inspired by an Italian designer, was it? But he got the inspiration from Italy, right? They used all premium materials on the original Jordan 2, right? So in this sneaker, they went back to the origins, right? That's why they have the red, white, and the green, because that's the colors of the Italian flag, right? A lot of people say it's a Christmas shoe. Yeah, it is Christmas colors, but they call them the origins because it's going back to the origin of the Jordan 2 and the Italian leather and all of that good stuff that they put on the shoe, right? For Christmas time, I got some dope socks, some really dope ass socks that I could wear with them shoes. But I'm not gonna buy a shoe just because I got some socks that'll rock with them. Now, Christmas time, I'll be in somewhere. Yeah, we'll be on vacation, Dominican Republic somewhere, right? So wouldn't it be dope to rock these down there for Christmas? Nah, I'm good. But if I catch them on sale, definitely get them. So these gotta go. These gotta go. I know it's weird, but I got another pair of Jordan 2s. Even though they really have that spot reserved for me, right? By being one of those shoes that I absolutely have to have when they drop. I don't think I need this one because I got the OGs and I got the black cements and I got the lucky greens, which was like hit or miss for a whole lot of people, but I got them. I like them. I rock them. So that's all we can do with that. But I don't think this one is it, man. And this one drops November 15th. So, like I said, if I can catch them on sale, I'm definitely gonna get them. But I ain't gonna go out and go crazy just to get them. Not these. I already got something similar to that. We good. Bruh, listen. Anybody that know me knows how much of a Simpsons fan I am, right? These is tough. These are tough. Like, yeah, the silhouette is a little aged, right? But it's the Homer Simpson's NMD, man. Yep, this one straight to the toe. Got it. Boy, if I'm telling you, if you know me or you watch any content on this channel, I did a Homer Simpson custom Air Force One. And that's just because I love the Simpsons, grew up watching the Simpsons. So this one, just for nostalgia purposes, is definitely straight to the toe because I already got man outfits I can put together with these. So whatever, man. You don't like them, let me know in the comments. But your boy's going for these. Definitely going for these. Now, these right here are based on the living room. So you watch the Simpsons, whatever. It looks like the living room, right? I mean, no. These ain't straight for the toe, man. These gotta go. We ain't gonna spend too much time on these because, I mean, if I catch them on sale, then yeah. But if I don't, I ain't heard about them because I already got to get the Homer ones. So, gone straight out of here. Them ain't for the toe. They gotta go. Moving on. Why'd you put these in there, Money Man? I don't. Why? Who wears iPhones? Me around the house because I work from home. So these are straight to the toe. These gonna be a daily part of my routine every day when I get up and walk 15, 20 feet down the hallway from my bedroom to my office to start my day at work. I mean, just because you work at home don't mean you don't have to be like stylish or comfortable. Hell, I wear Crocs at home every day because what else you gonna do, right? Right? No, straight to the toe. I don't care what you say, straight to the toe. If they gotta go for you, let me know in the comments. That's what we doing. Man, that's the big shoe. I ain't gonna cap. I'm not gonna cap. Okay, it's a Reebok. Why do you have? So what? It's a Reebok. If you grew up in the 90s, you had this shoe. You did. You had a pair of Shaq Attacks before they went to the Shaq. Yeah, okay. We're not gonna shame anybody for wearing Shaqs. Shaq making money. That's all that matters, right? And now he's the president of basketball operations there at Reebok. Him and AI, president, vice president. So we're gonna have some more stuff come from Adidas, man. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not straight for the toe. This is straight for the collection just because of the nostalgia of that shoe. That's what this is. So it ain't gotta go. It's gonna get got, but it's gonna get got in the same realm as the Charles Barkley's that just sit. Just for, I can tell a story about them. Yep. I don't know. I might wear them. I don't care. We don't care what people think here on the set, do we? No, we don't. I don't know how I feel about this next shoe, man. I don't know how I feel about that. Number one, because I don't hoop no more. Like, I don't hoop no more. Am I tore up about it? Nah, bro. Not at all. I do see some of the little cats out there skipping and traveling and thinking they doing Euro steps. They actually doing that. Never mind. But yeah, I don't know about this shoe, man. Maybe in a different colorway, I can see that. But again, I don't hoop. And LeBron shoes, they're performance basketball shoes. Like, I'm not just gonna buy that shoe just to wear around, because wearing a basketball shoe around daily, it'll tear your feet up. Those are meant to be moved. You just can't sit still with a pair of basketball shoes on and think your feet gonna be all right with you. It's a reason why them little young cats be wearing slides to the basketball court, and they put on these sneakers when they at the court. Yeah, them joints ain't comfortable to just walk around in. You gotta be doing something when you wearing performance basketball sneakers. Now, as far as the technology in this shoe, it might be crazy. It might be absolutely crazy, as most LeBron shoes are. And I do have some LeBrons in the collection in my closet in the bedroom. But I passed on last year LeBrons only because I couldn't get them when I wanted them in the colorway that I wanted. That's pretty much it. Now they come out with a different colorway. I know he's gonna come out with a Laker colorway. That remains to be said. That's gonna happen. Now I might have to grab that because I am a Lakers fan. So, yeah, man, that pretty much does it for straight to the toe. I gotta go, man. We had some definite straight to the toes in there, man, and we had some ones that was not so much straight to the toe. They was in that other side of gotta go. So yeah, man, this episode 1 of Straight to the Toe or Gotta Go, man. We're gonna keep this train rolling, man. And again, if you have not done so, please like and subscribe to the channel, because we're gonna keep banging you across the head with this content, man. Okay. Let me not say banging you across the head. That sounds a little violent. We're just gonna keep providing awesome content, awesome, wholesome content on sneakers, electronics, and toys. I'm your boy, Money Matt. Thanks for watching. That was so professional, wasn't it? I'm gone, folks.